I'm so excited because here I have new piece of gear. But before that, let's add some haze using smoke machine to this room. Hey, my name is Rafał, I am from Poland, and main goal here on this channel is improve my skills in English content creation. So stay with me if you wanna see how things go in the future. Finger crossed. Today is simple one, we will do some unboxing because this is new piece of gear that is already fresh on the market. Yeah, and it is new Sony camera, Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. And I am excited because this will be my B cam to extra B-roll shots, and I think this is probably the best entry-level camera with 10-bit 60p, no crop, oversampled with every feature that Sony have, besides of course AI and IBIS, but in this price range probably is the best one to pick up in the Sony lineup. Of course, if we looking that type of hardware like Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. I must say it's a really nice package. Small, no colors here, everything is in the white and black colors. On the front we have some paperwork, documentation, probably warranty, and extra 1 year of warranty if we register the camera on the Sony web. Of course, branded extra strap. Let me know in the comment if you use that kind of straps. I'm not a big fan, of course. Here probably we will have, yes, a dead cat, furry one. Second, this is finally a bigger battery, FZ100. Yes, this is the standard now. Camera. And this is everything. In the box there is nothing more. Small, lightweight. Look at this beauty. It's very familiar with ZV-E1 full frame version, but here we have an APS-C sensor size, no full frame, no IBIS, unfortunately. Yeah, let's see if the battery has some juice. Yeah, there is some. No, there is no juice here. The first boot is already battery drain. So let's charge it up. First impression about this camera is very nice. The grip feels better than the first generation, and I must say probably it's better even in ZV-E1 because I was feel there is so sleepy, no texture there, but besides that everything looks identical. Feeling of the body, I think it's a little bit more plasticky. The ports are definitely different one. Yeah, there is no water sealing in the port, so there is difference for sure. This body isn't a water sealed. How it's looking with dead cat, but yeah, funny hairstyle dead cat. And I will probably use it with a strange lens. I have something like that for now. It's also a new purchase for me. It's 51.4 G Master, and look at this package. This is insane. Can't wait to shoot with it. See you around.